deep in the shadows.
Hi guys! Happy Monday! Monday na. Ang bis ng araw, yesterday is only Sunday. Time check. 6:25 in the morning. So, aga actually kami nagising ni Daddy about 5:15. 5:20 I wake up already. I was thinking it's 6:20 something already. So, medyo na nakanchong ako kanina. Buti na lang, still early. And this one, she also wake up. No? I eat the one. Monday na guys. Hindi papasok si Daddy today sa office kasi sa may pakiramdam niya, nadali din siya ng nadali din siya ng ang tawag dito ng flu. Mayroon siyang sipon.
Mommy, Daddy going to work today? Daddy not going to work today.
Yeah, Daddy need to see a doctor today.
Is he going to work?
I think no lah. Better see doctor. Fish! Good morning, Kuya. Why?
Fish.
Fish? Then, for me, coffee. Get some more in a storeroom, anak. The biscuit there. Go and take quickly. Kuya, your pot is more bigger than mine. Your piku. Your piku. Your piku chowta. You saw? Okay, go. Bye. Bye. Hatid natin sila kuya sa school.
Anyway, go inside. The Lamella's room, right? This looks so nice.
Oh. If you have money, you can make nicer your frame.
But in the room...
Mostly if you go to the private one, anak, it's very nice.
You come over. The last day we go where?
Like you can go sleep there.
The last day we go where again?
The last day.
We go swimming.
Yeah.
Where did we go?
Oh, I forgot the place. Why? Alas 7 na guys ng umaga pero madilim pa. So, hahatid natin sila kuya.
The ice candy over.
Sobrang-sobres na araw. Laki mo. Big already.
So, Daddy later after he send us off, Daddy go hospital.
See doctor?
Go to No. I thought I was go to vacation.
You see the sky? You see the moon? Can you see the moon or not?
A lot of boys. A lot of children.
Yeah, it's the moon. Pag umaga dito ganyan, busy. Sobrang busy dito pag umaga. Ganito buhay dito sa Singapore kaya mabilis. Mabilis lang ang araw. Lilipas as lilipas. Ganyan lang. Same routine, same trabaho, tulog, kain, next day trabaho again. Punta tayo ng sing-song. Pili tayo ng luluto natin mamaya. Sorry. So, wait natin si Daddy sa labas. Tignan niyo yung price niya. Ano lang siya, nasa $2.55 lang siya. Buti na lang guys, meron dito sa amin. Sing song. Tapos na si Daddy.
Hi! Daddy, Tanda Best is coming.
Yes.
Coming soon. Dinner natin dito sa Marohachi. Yan. Masarap dito yung curry, guys. So, madalas kaming kumakain dito. My one is mine. So, yung dalawang kids. Yeah. Go eat. So, sila kuya tsaka si Bunso, pareho sila. Let's eat. Okay, yung kay Daddy naman, pork. Pork curry. Yeah. And my one, chicken curry. Diba? Sarap.
Anybody want some curry sauce?
More sauce? Anybody? Nag-crave kami ng ng curry.
Not bad.
Yeah. Ay, you want take now? Go. Because I want put this one.
What's that?
Daddy, you want some?
Oh, yeah.
Daddy? Okay, let's eat.
Only like the start from start of March, maybe.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough, yeah. Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough, hey. Cause I'm hurting, cause I'm bleeding, going crazy. I don't need to just cut me, you don't help me. Someone baby, it's us. Someone baby, it's it. Someone baby, it's us. Someone baby, yeah. Someone baby, it's us. Someone baby, it's it. Someone baby, yeah.
Okay, tapos na tayo mag-dinner. Yan. Sobrang busog. Sarap. Ayan, sobrang busog-busog natin. What time is it now? 7:35 na ng gabi. Medyo,
Walk this way?
Here also can, right? Here also can. Yeah, everyone. So, papunta tayo ngayon sa, sa Seleita Mall.
The bullet can follow you.
So, tulog pa rin si Maymay.
Hit my body.
Punch out the car. Please.
Because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl. I have the girl, baby, I'm enough. Hey.
You know what that it bumps. Yeah, and then if you move, yeah. When you
You make me insecure. I pretend that it's good when I'm not. 'Cause I'm hurting, 'cause I'm bleeding, going crazy. I don't need you, just cut me. You don't help me. Down, down, baby, down, 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 baby, down, down, baby, down, down.
Pauwi na tayo. So, hindi kami nagtagal sa Salita Mall kasi wala na yun, yun, clown machine. So, mga bagong na appliances na yung nakalagay doon. So, naglakad tayo pa uwi. Tagtag ng kinain na tiyan. Ngayon, ang ganda ng namin.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl, I have the girl. Baby, I'm enough, yeah. Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl, I have the girl. Baby, I'm enough, hey.
Then don't turn on the aircon, just blow the fan.
blow on the aircon.
Oh, you want to bring
The bed to the study room.
to the study room? Lost it in the study room.
Okay guys, so dito ko na yan aming video for today. Thank you so much for your watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video i-upload next time. And always stay safe. See you next time. Bye!